Welcome to Plant a Garden TV. How are you guys doing today? Alright guys, as you can see today we have two rosemary plants. But what I've noticed in the rosemary plants, I've seen that their leaves start turning a little yellow, and this is springtime, and if you see that start happening, that could cause from root bung. So what I'm going to be doing today, I'm going to turn this over and I'm going to take this out. Exactly guys, root bung. You see here, watch, the container is not big enough. This is a concrete pot, so what keep happening, the root comes out and just start making circle. So this need either you transplant it into a bigger pot or in ground. So what I'm going to be doing today, I'm going to be transplanting them in ground. Now as you can see guys, it's naturally clay soil. These plant into, you could naturally see the clay soil. So what we're going to do now guys, as you can see, very much well need transplant. All the root is wrapping around, and rosemary is one thing, they have this kind of fiber root that they just keep spreading and just running. So we're going over the other side and we're going and plant them. So as you can see guys, we already dig out the hole there, and as you can see it's clay soil. A lot of people underestimate clay soil, but don't worry about it guys. So what we're going to do, we're going to take it and we're going to put it down in the hole like that. And we're going to cover it. Clay soil guys. We're going to cover it and then we're going to water it. Alright. Alright guys, so we have the another plant and we're going to put it down in the hole. We already dig the hole guys, and we make sure we soften up the bottom of the hole so these roots can start walking their way. So we don't want to damage the plant, but as you can see, the root was outside the pot and that's what create these yellow leaf. So let's put it down inside there again guys. Stand it up like that. Bring these. And add some water to it. And that's it guys. So guys, anyhow you see, you have rosemary plant in a container and you start seeing the leaf them start turning yellow, maybe you need to transplant it into a bigger pot. That can be the condition. This is what was definitely going on here. The pot was definitely too small. So now we transplant them and we expect to see big progress. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe and share.